So Vincent Kompany to Bayern, you know, कभी सोचा था? I mean,
Weird.
totally weird, out of place, out of order.
Just like
I'm
Bayern.
total. Yeah. I mean, I mean, did you ever think in in your football watching career, last 10, 12 years, जो भी follow कर रहे हो, did you ever think that Bayern will look out of place like this? That too, not with a player transfer. Player transfer हो सकता है out of place, but with a manager. You know, Tuchel के time से they had declared that he is leaving, and then when you declare mid-season that you are allowing the current manager to see through the season and then he will leave, generally you would associate key plans are in place, proper plans are in place, obviously with the structure, etc. That who is your new manager, and obviously they had set plans to bring in Ralf Rangnick, and and they took a massive beating there because it was almost a done deal. But I don't know the inside story as to why Ralph said that, I'm not taking up that job. But then, the tune changed completely. I guess, we all know how Ralph Rangnick operates. He wants greater control. When that news first came in, right, we thought that no, this is not a right fit. And then there was progress, and then the deal fell through. And then after the Rangnick deal fell through, it has been complete chaos, and it almost felt as if they did not have plan B, C, D in place. What did you make of that, man? The whole
Maybe
saga. Just let's
wasn't
start.
wasn't Ragnik plan D or so they went
No,
for,
no,
so,
at least I feel it was
and
plan A.
Nagelsmann, all those people were contracted, right?
What do you think? What do you think? I personally think that those were outside noise, because from the reliable sources, it was Ralph Rangnick was the concrete one. What do you make of it?
See, no manager wants to go into the daldal of Bayern Munich right now, because see, even
I mean, it's still a great club, man.
yeah, it's a huge, मतलब, huge club. But see, Kane effect is also there. No, it's tough to win trophies now.
Are you a
Nice
Spurs
one.
supporter?
Salute.
The Spurs in him won't let him win trophies, bro.
Or the Kane in us was not letting us. So
It could be
you
that
don't know.
too. It could be that too. It could be that too.
What do you
I
think?
wish to believe that. Huh. So yes, see, I believe it was a perfect ending to this saga because it was so chaotic last season, so chaotic
Perfect ending.
manager search, and a chaotic signing after all. So like proper chaotic ending to this.
Bro, he's
Saga?
just so pissed off that Kane left him, man. That's it, man. How is he saying this is the proper ending
No,
of
no, no.
everything?
I think he's sarcastic in a way. He wants Bayern to suffer. In that sense, he's saying, I guess.
No, I want Kane to win, man. But see, the chaotic system that has gone through, you would see it coming, like some random shit coming at the end of it, and that's what we see, right? They did something like unusual,
Mhm.
like not winning a trophy for a season. So they did something unusual of signing a manager who has been relegated just like few weeks back. So,
Yeah. Why did you think they arrived at company? What may have been the
Pep factor.
thinking behind that?
The Pep factor is the only one I can think through. That there's
Maheshwari, kya? What's going on?
Bro, I'm telling you, in all of this, there's only one winner, that is Vincent Kompany. I would love to read if he ever wrote a book like Art of Failing Forwards or whatever, because, bro, he has done an absolute stunner here. Absolute stunner. एकदम बॉटम राइट कॉर्नर पे गोल मार दिया है अपनी डी से भाई कैसे किया ब्रो हाउ you've taken a team to the league Premier League Championship well done brother and then you've taken it down and guess what happens after that instead of you getting sacked or whatever Bayern Munich come bro it's like get out the red panties or whatever he must be up in the air and now when I look back at it I'm just thinking कंपनी उनके सेकंड पेज में भी नहीं होगा मैनेजर्स के लुकआउट पे इट्स जस्ट दैट द फर्स्ट पेज में जो मैनेजर्स द आंसर्स दैट दे मस्ट हैव गॉट or the compensation that the clubs must be asking because now the clubs have started asking for
Yep.
huge ass compensation they just figured out you know what when Pep was there क्या बोलते हैं Pep से पूछते क्या चल रहा है Pep
Hmm.
बोला होगा हाँ glowing words about company
Correct.
which is well documented, right?
Yes, yes.
है ना, well documented. But okay, I'm not saying he might not turn into a great manager or whatnot, but from what we have seen as spectators and what the results have shown,
Hmm.
there is no reason for Company to be at Bayern Munich. Bhai. There is no reason, like no
Why,
reason.
why do you think he will not succeed there? He can, right?
No,
He can.
he may succeed.
No,
He
I'm not
is.
saying he may, but why would, if you get a certain manager in your head, you think okay, this is the certain probability of him succeeding, right? There's a certain probability of him succeeding, and that is based on what you've seen before from him, right? Maybe they are seeing something that we as fans are unable to see, because
But
let's get
maybe
this right.
maybe he's motivated by people like Xavi Alonso, right? You have not seen him succeed also in past. He comes and he takes the league by the crutch, right? So
No,
Yes,
his company does
I
the
have a
same thing.
different problem actually. I feel he could be a good manager, etc. But my problem is different. My problem is that a manager walks into a club like Bayern. How will he command the respect of the dressing room? How will you manage the
He
big
was a
goals?
he was a really good
Because
player.
everyone will Google him and see that this is a man who is going to manage us who got relegated last season.
They will also
no,
do
no,
his
no,
footballing career, right?
no, a footballing career, and secondly,
Good
Vincent.
footballer doesn't translate to great managers. We know that, right?
No. But in general, Vincent Kompany has a good presence, and
We know
there have
that.
already been videos of him
Pata tha. You
circulating.
will mention that.
Yeah, circulating, where it shows that भाई he has such a commanding figure कि भाई कुछ प्लेयर कुछ बोलेगा वो चमाट वमाट मार देगा. मतलब he won't say it, but he has a good enough
I've
commanding
seen that
presence
video. That's a
that,
viral video. Yeah.
yeah, that he will take no nonsense, right?
Yeah.
He will not take any nonsense. But let's just my question is, what have you seen from him that says, okay, he's worth a chance, if you would have gone for Xabi Alonso like this, which they had, by the way, it made
Hmm.
sense because league जीता भाई and undefeated, that just means,
Championship जीता था. Yeah.
हाँ, अरे यार अरे यार वो बुंडेसलीगा जीता है भाई, है ना, वो बुंडेसलीगा जीता है, अगेंस्ट बायर्न जीता है, एंड अनबीटन जीता है, एंड दे वेंट फॉर शाबी अलोंसो मना कर दिया,
Yeah.
right?
See, this
शाबी
is
अलोंसो,
one thing that you need to understand कि after so much bad rapport that has gone into the media, they wanted a manager कि if I ask him, he says yes. Because they cannot go on rounds against him in a club like
Nice
Bayern.
theory.
Right?
that's a nice
कितना
theory.
दलील
Another
होंगे
one
और
is the
मीडिया
Pep
में.
theory that Pep has recommended him. Pep might have put a call
He
on
has,
Company also कि
yes.
भाई हाँ बोल देना. You should also don't say no to them. But yeah, they make a perfect match. Bayern has only a way to go up now because last season has been terrible. It's a perfect time for a new and upcoming manager to come and do something because the club is already shit, right? There's not much expectations out of him because a
Bro,
Champions
वो
League winner
बायर्न है, वो
Amit,
स्पर्स
is
नहीं
not done
है,
it.
क्या बोल रहा है तू?
अरे भाई,
Bro,
if a Bayern who has been winning every season league, a new manager comes in, he will have a pressure to win the league right now.
yeah.
He has pressure little less because the team is already at a shithole. Now anything he do is going to take them better. One
Yeah,
step forward.
but okay, but the way Bayern are built, they are built to achieve success. उनका
Yeah.
एक ही काम है
Yes.
कि लीग तो हमारा है ही,
Yeah.
चैंपियंस लीग कैसे जीते? This is what the Bayern's funda has been for a long period of time.
Bayern would have a good quality of team for even Company to come up and take them to the.
No, I agree with
title, right?
Maheshwari a little bit. You know why? Because look, what Amit you're saying may have been applicable in the Premier League or La Liga, but the
Yeah.
problem with this so-called Farmers League like French League or the Bundesliga is that Bayern and PSG are expected to win. तुम last season नहीं जीते तो pressure उल्टा ज्यादा है जीतने के लिए. This season the pressure is more to deliver, but now it is even more difficult क्योंकि Leverkusen are doing well. I just wanted to ask you, Amit,
But,
what is Kane thinking, man? क्या situation में आ गया हूँ मैं?
नहीं भाई,
भाई वो-
केन तो सीधा सोच रहा है मेरे तो रिकॉर्ड्स ब्रेक कर रहा हूँ मैं. लेवेंडोस्की
भाई वो
Records तो
records
Spurs
तो
में भी
Spurs
break
में
कर
ही
रहा
break
था.
कर रहा था.
Spurs में भी break कर रहा था.
Right now he's like Lewandowski who? भाई
See,
इतना
bhai, Xabi
Lewandowski
Alonso might have done extremely well this season. Bayern has the quality, has the pull to get good players, and they will win next season with company as a manager. Right?
Yeah.
There, I have no doubts in
I have
Bayern.
another
will not-
question. I have another question
Yeah,
to you. Now that you
it's
pose
an
like
easy
that,
job.
my question is, you give Bayern, you give them new players, जैसा भी team बना दो, is there a probability they win without a manager?
I think they can.
Exactly.
They can.
No, I don't
Exactly.
think so. It's
It's
way off the
a
top.
see,
I mean,
company
you're
is a
totally downplaying the league. They have very good teams there,
Yeah.
starting from they have
and that
very good upcoming teams,
company has
and
played
I am
good
amazed
football.
at I'm amazed at how Abhay Maheshwari is saying this thing that without a manager they can. Man, you've lived in Germany and
Yeah,
you've
yeah,
followed the league closely.
but I also understand that this time the Bayern Munich in the Champions League they were really good, but in the league they were shits, and that is also true. And the second thing is, first season mein there's a way that this Bayer Leverkusen played, and Leverkusen was not touted to be the championship contenders. But now other teams will figure out. Like you remember how Leicester did that thing, boom. In the next season they had a fall because
Had a fall,
now
yeah.
other teams took them seriously. फर्क पड़ता है.
जैसे आर्सेनल को
It was
ले
a
रहे
lot.
Look, I guess the point you mentioned, company is actually commanding figure. That is for sure. But I guess he's a commanding figure. He may win the dressing room in terms of his personality, but I believe those training sessions, when there are good players, right? If they're starting to enjoy training sessions and the instructions that company may pass as to how to, approach the space, how to attack, etc. If they see patterns, I believe he will start to earn the respect, and
Yeah,
players
yeah.
might end up
And
enjoying the system.
And you have to
playing good
understand,
football with
Burnley के
not
साथ
so
वो
good players.
Correct.
भाई बर्नली के साथ वो चैंपियनशिप जीता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो खराब है.
हाँ.
But my thing is he good enough to be on a pedestal to take up Bayern Munich?
Look, I will tell you one thing. Burnley के against he didn't change his tactics. Last day तक he kept playing that way. But the problem is that what Bayern must have seen that ये बंदा अगर इसी सिस्टम में यही डेटा पॉइंट्स दे मस्ट हैव हैड सर्टेन डेटा पॉइंट्स यही डेटा को लेके इसी पोजीशंस में इफ वी गिव हिम द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स इन दोस पोजीशंस विल ही परफॉर्म द आंसर वुड हैव बीन यस सिंपल एज दैट 100%. तो यही बात है. He may do well actually.
But
I
that
see.
said and done.
Basically, Burnley got relegated because his company was building a CV. ठीक है, to go to some other.
Yeah, but what I'm trying to say is at any point of time, Kompany was not even in the top 3 managers.
100%, no doubt
Maybe
about
it's a
it.
blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
For them.
So they went towards the underdog approach or something. I cannot understand the thought process because coming from Bayern, I mean, you can understand Spurs doing that. You can even understand Chelsea with Enzo Maresca, right? You can understand these clubs doing this, right? But you don't understand a Bayern Munich or a PSG going after such manner. Even PSG went after Galtier, right? When the season before he actually won the league with Lille or Nice. I'm not sure.
But he won the league.
He won the league.
And he won the league. And he won the league with PSG playing in it. So they know what level.
हाँ, वो बात भी है. Correct. Level तो है. But with company क्या level है?
Like right now also,
We will know after this
they
season.
wanted Xabi Alonso, भाई, क्योंकि वो उनके against करके दिखाया.
करके दिखाया, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, total Bayern Munich mentality, right? If you can't win against them, buy them, and it works easily in that league, right? Dortmund तो अपना sister club बना के रखा है वहाँ पे. तो ठीक है.
Academy है.
Dortmund Academy. But yeah, so that's about it. Somehow, I mean, it will be really interesting next season. Only problem is that Bayern will also feel like a rebuild in itself, because there are a couple of players there like Kimmich and all. Kimmich हो गया, Alphonso Davies. थोड़ा contract situation is ongoing. So, and then how does a club convince them to sign a long-term contract with Vincent Kompany as the manager? मतलब that doesn't give a lot
Inspire
of
confidence.
भाई, इस
inspire
साल में
confidence.
तो नहीं
Exactly.
होगा. After 1 year probably the contract negotiations should be starting.
So
नहीं,
so
बट अगर एक साल ही बचा है उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में तो क्या करोगे यार?
क्या करोगे? फ्री एजेंट चले जाएंगे.
6 महीने बाद. But
I-
company, let's see
मुझे
if company can make a
Correct.
Yeah,
to his own,
of
then
course.
why not?
Kimmich may
I
go
mean,
to
you cannot
City.
take away the fact that he came up from the championship, and championship is a tough league.
Tough
It's a
league.
tough league.
It's probably a better league than the French league and Bundesliga. It's actually way tougher than those leagues, I feel.
Bro, don't say
Overall,
that.
overall.
Don't say that.
Yeah.
आप
yeah,
कमेंट्स में
actually.
लिखेंगे प्रेमटार्ड्स करके है ना?
तो top 5 championship
Yeah.
के भेज देंगे Champions League में.
Yeah, whatever, Amit, your wet dreams are really crazy.
Burnley पहुंच जाएगी.
So yeah, let's see. Exciting again. Company, Xavi Alonso, young coaches in their early years in management. It'll be good. I guess it will be vibrant. I guess that Stuttgart coach was also quoted by Chelsea. But, I'm forgetting the name of that guy. I'm forgetting the name of that guy. But yeah, that
He denied,
Stuttgart.
bro. He denied straight away.
Yeah, he denied. He will stay. So I'm seeing this particular pattern that coaches that are doing well with a team, they want to continue for another year, and that's
Yeah.
probably the good approach that managers have, because if you trust your ability, you can continue on it. So yeah, it's going to be exciting to watch Vincent Kompany at Bayern. Let's see. So that's about it. Let us know in the comments, what did you make of that particular crazy managerial appointment by Bayern, and do you think he's going to be a success? Is he going to spring a surprise and win
एक
the
टकला कोच
title?
कम हो गया प्रीमियर लीग से.
Yeah, man. Seriously. But
One
replace हो गया.
added, Maresca
Arne Slot.
added.
Arne
अरे
Slot.
मारेस्को
Arne Slot added.
Yeah.
एक गया, दो नए हैं.
महेश्वरी
Yeah.
अप्लाई कर दे भाई. कोई
Yeah.
क्लब बना
Yeah.
देगा मैनेजर.
Bro, I'm Arteta, bro. I
Ten
want
Hag,
to-
no, Ten Hag is leaving, right? You can replace him, so the count will remain same.
Maybe I'll do much better than him.
Yeah.